name is Deanna Clark. I'm a process and automation engineer here at Third Coast. I have over 7 years of experience in the chemicals industry. In my current role, I do a lot of troubleshooting and process optimization. I work with a lot of different departments, including maintenance and operations and the safety team, to implement various improvements to the plant or expand our current business. What motivated me to pursue my current role at Third Coast is I really enjoy working with multiple engineering disciplines. It keeps the day-to-day really rewarding and interesting. In my previous role, I was exposed to some process automation and controls work, and since I've been at Third Coast, I've been able to really expand on that and grow with the company. One accomplishment that I'm particularly proud of at Third Coast is commissioning the new gear blending unit, IB2. It is highly automated and complex. It has 19 storage tanks, and we deal with over 30 different raw materials. Since I've been at Third Coast, we've onboarded 8 new products for this reactor and done successful customer trials. What motivates me at Third Coast is ensuring everyone's safety. When we make process improvements, it's not just about efficiency, it's about making sure everyone has a safe environment. And every time that we improve a task or automate a task, we're reducing risk and maximizing safety, and that is really rewarding.